This is the code for my Bitmoji tag. So I have three lists, one for the X values, one for the Y values, and one for the speed, which is how much the X value will be incrementing by. So there'll be 50 values in each list because the loop runs 50 times. So the X position can be between 50 and 400. The Y position can be between 50 and 350, and the speed can be either 1 or 2. So in the draw function, it first draws the background, then it draws the circle that stays over the mouse, then it does this function which runs for the length of the X positions list, and it draws the Bitmoji at the X position of I and Y position of I with a size 50. Then it sets X position of I equal to X positions of I plus speed of I. So say the X positions of 2 and the speed of 2, and speed of 2 is 1, then it'll increase the X position by 1 every frame. And then this if statement, if the X position of I is greater than 400, then it'll set the X position to either -40 or 40, or in between -40 and 40, and it'll change the speed of I to either 1 or 2. So it could stay the same or it could change. And then this mouse clicked function, it runs for the X position's length, and this is the distance formula. So if the distance between the 2 points, which is the X value, which is your mouse's value when you click, and the Bitmoji's position, so come on, it's a bit janky, but it mostly works. So if that is less than 25, so basically if it's within a circle with a radius of 25, which is what this is, then it'll go away. I don't know, it works weird. I have to make big presses or it doesn't work. So if that's true, then it'll move the Y position up 1000, just so it's way off the screen up here. So, yeah.